What's up, guys and gals? My name is Roy and you're watching Roy's Customs, and today I'll be working on the rear bumper, the passenger side rear lip, and I've got a few tools that I'll be showing you in the video as well to make some straight edges with, so you can check that out. Okay, so before I started recording, I actually went ahead and I sanded down and I gave it a good wipe down, and I started skimming some more body filler on it. I do believe I got it in the shape that I want it to be in now. All there's going to be is some more sanding to finish up the shape. Okay, so after getting this knocked down with the 120 and then hitting it with the 220, there's actually still a little bit of stuff back here that I need to finish up. What I did the other day was I actually had put this little tool together. I took a piece of 3/8 plywood, took an old Sawzall blade and a couple screws, drilled holes in the Sawzall blade, and then I mounted it to the piece of plywood, and I was using it as my quote-unquote edger for this. Going around to give me my straight line. Using it to cut in, kind of separate it. Oops. And that gives me like a nice straight line across there. I know it's dark, but I'm doing the best I can with my lighting, and I'm trying to show you the best I can everything. But then you take and you roll your paper kind of tight so you got a bit of an edge to work with. Now, I got some of this old stuff on the bumper that I need to get rid of, but anyways, that's something I kind of wanted to show you, that little tool that I made to make a little bit of a straight edge with. It's going to be one of those tools that, you know, I'm probably only going to use for like this one little job, but I will keep it around because you never know when you're going to need something like that, or it might come in handy for something else. So I'm actually trying to clean this up best I can. Also down in that side, kind of using my my file here to kind of get down in there. I'm sure nobody's gonna hardly see down in there, but I still want it to look as good as possible because you never really know. And I know it's not like a show car, but you still want your stuff to look as good as possible. Oh, I see what's going on there. There's like a little ridge on there, so. So I will have to work on that. But I'm not worried about that right at this moment. Okay, so there is a couple of things about this side. I do like it better. I did decide to go with a little bit different shape so I can kind of see what it looks like, and I really do like it better. It's a much cleaner, smoother flow. It looks so much nicer with the body lines too. So what I'm going to do is, if I get a chance tomorrow and it doesn't rain, I'm going to work on the other side tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that if you're interested in following my DIY body kit. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe this down, and I'm going to get a little bit of primer on it and then show you what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications, leave comments down below, and I hope you guys have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.